Hello, my name is Ben Rutt, and I'm with the Lean Learning Academy. Lean is so popular today, it's proven to be one of the best systems to use to improve your business. But where to start? Sometimes that thought is overwhelming, and so we spin our wheels and stay stuck in our same old rut. Toyota realized early on that the best way to make improvements is by training and educating the work staff so that they understand how to think about improving the system and reducing cost and improving productivity. Our Introduction to Lean course is a great place to begin educating your leaders and employees about Lean. Today, we're offering this at the end of summer special, a free course, Introduction to Lean. Also, this is an online course that includes a free 1-hour coaching session with one of our Lean coaches. The link to the course is listed in the description box at the end of this video. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the short video. So what is Lean? This week we're looking at the meaning of Lean. I'm sure that as a student you hear the word Lean tossed around, but how would you describe Lean? In this lesson we try to break the meaning of Lean down so we all have the same understanding of the word Lean. So what is Lean? Lean is the study of a production system that focuses on the reducing of waste while creating value for the customer, looking for ways to continuously improve the process. That's a mouthful, isn't it? We'll read that over one more time. Lean is the study of a production system that focuses on reducing waste while creating value for the customer and looking for ways to continuously improve the process. The way things are put together or assembled could be a fast food restaurant making a meal. It could be an automobile assembly plant making a car, or the system of admittance to a hospital. It involves from the time the customer orders until the customer receives the product. And you can see in this illustration, it goes from the supplier to the next person to the next person. And each person in line is a customer. And then when they hand it off, they are the supplier. So they make sure that that product is made the right quality before they pass it off to their customer. So a little closer look at, so Lean's a study of a system, and this includes the ordering of parts to the receiving, assembling the parts, and shipping the final product to the customer. Another thing is to identify waste in the system. So you don't reduce cost just by cutting cost. There's a systematic way to do it in Lean, and that's eliminating one of the 8 wastes. The 8 wastes are transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, defects, or not engaging the minds of the employees. And during the course, we'll talk a lot about those in detail. It mainly is removing waste from the system. And when you do that, when you remove waste, you add value for your customer. And in Lean, of course, it's continuous improvement, but not just by you, but by every employee in the organization when they improve the system and you have a continuous improvement environment. So in closing, what is Lean? Lean is the study of a production system. The focus is on reducing waste and while creating value for the customer and looking for ways to continuously improve the process. So this course that we're offering, the free summer course, Introduction to Lean. There's a link right here on the screen, and if you want to copy that and put it in your browser, take you right there. Or you can just go to the Lean Learning Academy and find it there also. I appreciate you watching, and we will be with you in a week or so and show you another video. Thank you. Bye.